We're back at it again. This paint drawer is still a mess, and now it's time to sort out my brushes. Let's print something to fix that. I found this handy brush holder by OSDane on MakerWorld. Even has a slot for a water pot. For this 3D print, I'm testing out some JO filament. Let's send the file to the Anycubic Cobra 3 Max and see how it turns out. That's the paintbrushes sorted thanks to this great 3D print. What should I tackle next? Drop your ideas in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching.